Republic Act Number 9163, better known as the NSTP Law of 2001, articulates the mandates of the government for higher educational institutions to galvanize and transform the lives for the betterment of the youth in terms of their acquired knowledge and skills, proper values, as well as direction of life.
Civic Welfare Training Service is the one of three components of National Service Training Program, a civic education and defense preparedness program for the higher vocational education students in the Philippines. CWTC activities are contributing to the general welfare and the betterment of the life for the members of the community or the engagement of facilities, especially these devoted to improving the health, education, environment, entrepreneurship, safety, recreation, and morals of the citizenry. Graduate of CWTC become a members of National Service Reserve Corps, which may be topped by the state of the literacy, civic welfare, and disaster risk reduction program in activities. That's all.
What is CWTS? The Civic Welfare Training Service is one of three components of National Service Training Program, a civic education and defense preparedness program for higher and vocational education students in the Philippines.
Programs. Under the health programs, we have the blood donation and registry, herbal medicine, cancer care, communicable diseases, basic first aid, and disaster management.
Educational program, we have base program, community-based program. Under livelihood program, we have skills training and entrepreneur program.
Another program is the pastoral program. Under these programs, we have family ministry, parish pastoral, daycare value formation, pastoral advocacy, and elderly accompaniment.
The last program under CWT is our self-governance, which is component of environmental program, child abuse center-based, children advocacy, community-based, street children, political education.
Para sa imo nga man ginpili mong CWTS?
Para sa akon, nga aming pili ko ang CWTS dahil gusto ko makabulig sa pagtinlo sa atong eskwelahan, sa palibot sa atong eskwelahan para namin mantulokon.
For the upcoming first-year students, if you choose CWTS, it's a no-pressure and a fun service training to partake into. It's not all about cleaning schools, but to be aware and be participative into different advocacies and community services based on your capabilities.
Base sa kagalingon ko nga pag-intindi sa CWTS, CWTS is ang mostly ga-focus sa pagbulig sa palibot kag sa community gitanaas kung ikumpara mo sa ROTC nga nang ginafokusan gid tanaya do military service kag training para i-prepare sanda sa sa career nanda nga gusto nga involved sa military service.
Why you choose CWTS?
Because I found CWTS as a way to help in the community service.
For me, CWT is important to our school, especially in our community, to provide service like tree planting, to maintain our school clean, and to maintain our environment.
Why is it important to know the CWTS? CWTS activities are contributory to the general welfare and the betterment of life for the members of the community, or to enhancement of its facilities, especially for those devoted to improving health, education, environment, entrepreneurship, safety, creation, and morals of the citizenry.